can you say hi?
Oh, look at mommy.
Hi, buddy. Well, today church got canceled. It's Sunday, December, I don't know, 15th or 16th. No! Hey! Ouch! Oh, you snot! I'm not even wearing snow clothes. And there goes Noah, running off to play. Don't you dare! You go peg Noah. Noah's waving and making friends. Pretty snowy. How many inches do you think we got?
Maybe 7 or 8 now.
Wow. That's Michigan for you. Look at our street. Alright. And Noah's down the street somewhere.